Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, the smallest integer for which the inequality x minus 7 by x squared plus 5x minus 36 greater than 0 is given by. So this can be written as x minus 7 by x plus 9 into x minus 4 greater than 0. Now this inequality is true for x belonging to the open interval minus 9 comma 4 union 7 comma infinity. Thus the least integer satisfying this is minus 8. This is option D. The next question is, a child playing at the balcony of his multi-storied apartment drops a ball from a height of 350 meters. Each time the ball rebounds, it rises 4/5 of the height it has fallen through. The total distance traveled by the ball before it comes to rest is. So, initially, the ball fell down 350 meters. Say this is the ground. So total distance covered by the ball would be 350 plus, now it would rise 4/5 of 350 meters, so that is 280 meters, and again it would fall this much down. So 2 into 350 into 4 by 5. So now when it would rise, it would be 4/5 of 280, or you can say 4 by 5 whole squared into 350. So this would go on as plus 2 into 350 into 4 by 5 squared, and so on. So this becomes 350 plus 2 whole into 350 into 4 by 5 plus 350 into 4 by 5 squared, and so on. Now this is an infinite GP series. This is an infinite GP series with the first term as 350 into 4 by 5, and common ratio is r is equal to 4 by 5. So the sum of infinite GP series is a by 1 minus r. So 350 into 4 by 5 by 1 minus 4 by 5. So this gives us 350 plus 2800 is equal to 3150 meters. So the correct option is option C. The next question is, find the value of x which satisfies the following equation. 4 log x minus 8 to the base 7 is equal to log 81 to the base 3. So this can be written as 4 log to the base 7 x minus 8 is equal to log base 3 into 3 to the power 4. So this becomes 4 log x minus 8 base 7 is equal to 4 log 3 to the base 3. 4 cancels out. Now we know log b to the base b equals 1. So log 3 to the base 3 equal to 1. So log x minus 8 by 7 equals 1. Now, so x from this formula and this we get x minus 8 equals 7, or x is equal to 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. So option D, none of these, is the answer.